Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your Weebly website. This is a fantastic way to enhance your site's atmosphere and create a more engaging experience for your visitors, whether you're showcasing a portfolio, running a blog, or managing a business page. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can see all your websites and projects. Now focus your attention on the left side menu where you'll see the website option. Click on it, and directly underneath, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This will show you a list of all the websites associated with your account. Choose the specific website where you want to add music, then look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This action will take you directly into the editor page of your chosen website. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top menu. This is where all your editing tools and elements live. Next, shift your focus to the left side menu and look for the audio element. If you're having trouble spotting it right away, simply click on Show All Elements to expand the full list of available options. When you find the audio element, drag it onto your website page where you want the music player to appear. Now here's something important to note. Using the audio element requires an upgraded Weebly plan. If you haven't upgraded yet, you'll need to do so before you can proceed with this feature. But if your plan is already upgraded, you're all set to continue. Click on the audio player you just placed on your page to begin editing it. You'll see an upload option appear. Click Upload, or you can simply drag your MP3 or audio file directly into the player editor. This makes adding your music incredibly straightforward. After uploading your file, you have the option to enter a title for the track in the title field if you want your visitors to see what song is playing. This step is optional, but adds a nice professional touch. Next, take a moment to adjust the playback options according to your preferences. You can enable features like autoplay, which will start the music as soon as someone visits your page, or set the track to loop continuously. These settings give you control over how your audio behaves. Once you're satisfied with all your settings, simply click outside the editor. Weebly automatically saves your changes, so there's no need to hunt for a save button, and that's it. You've successfully added music to your Weebly website, creating a more immersive experience for anyone who visits your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.